Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, hit that like and subscribe button right here, because I quite often do the videos on bicycles and all kind of tips that you guys may find it useful. Anyways, so let's get into this video as soon as possible. And what I'm working on today, I'm gonna show you guys what's the best and more efficient way how I clean my Suede saddle. So like you see over here on my bicycle, I have the San Marcos saddle, and once in a while it gets dirty. So these are the materials that I use to clean my saddle. This is the magic eraser. Keep in mind, this is not the Suede eraser. So this is your just conventional eraser, and you want to use this. It's very effective, but guess what? You don't want to be too aggressive on this thing, and keep that in mind. Now you're gonna put this one away. Now another one over here is my brush. Very efficient, and I'm gonna just show you in a bit how it works. Okay, and then this is the Febreze. If I just want to, if I got some odor and my saddle smells, I just want to go briefly, and I'm gonna just spray this on, and then when I air out the bike, I will get rid of the smell from a bike. Okay, so let's go on to the next one, and this is my microfiber towel. Okay, so let's start from this one and work my way up. So the main reason why I use microfiber towel is because it's really soft. If you look over here, it's really soft and quite easy on the saddle. Now, if you look over here, I just sprayed this Febreze chemical, and see what's gonna happen. It won't agitate too much. Now, what's happening is that you can wipe this thing off if your saddle is not too dirty, and all you need is the microfiber towel. So this is the main reason why I keep this one. Now, let's move on to the next one. Next one is my plastic brush, and I'm gonna just show you briefly what kind of results you get on it. Now, like I said, if you look over here, I got a stain there. This thing is not that aggressive, but it will give you a nice results. And look, see, look what I'm talking about here. Now it gets rid of this nasty black that I have there. The only thing is, you're gonna just have to work it. The more you work it, the better. And this is basically what this brush will do. Now again, a little bit of residue there, but not too crazy, but you don't want to go too aggressive on it. Just because you never know what can happen. But then again, if you look, great results. And then over here, I have this magic eraser that I use if I, like, for example, I want to get this thing out of here. See, like a little stain. Or for example, if you have like any kind of chemicals here of any kind of colors, this is what you're gonna use to use the magic eraser, which will do the trick. And just like now, when I have done a really nice job over here, in case if you do have some odor here, what I like to do with the Febreze, I'm gonna just go like this, and see, that looks just beautiful, and that thing smells very nice. Now, all these three that I have here, actually four, what I will do, I'm gonna link description at the bottom. So a couple of microfiber towels, Febreze, a magic eraser, and a brush, and you should be able to find it right in my description. And that's about that. Now, I hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and you may see me in your video. Take care and bye-bye.